大家好，我是麦克老师。今天我来吐槽一下英语里最常见口语表达。欢迎大家看这次视频，别忘记订阅我的频道。还有，如果你想试听我的新的电影口语课，你要等到视频后面试试看吧。Okay, today we're talking about stupid English expressions that we use all the time. I'm talking about expressions like piece of cake, 一块蛋糕。你知道是什么意思呢？就是很简单，意思就是容易简单。我也不懂为什么。English is a piece of cake. 是不是英语是一块蛋糕？不是，就是英语很容易。你觉得呢？那 Chinese is a piece of cake 可以吗？ So let's look at other dumb expressions we say all the time, and I'm gonna let you guess what they mean. When pigs fly, 当猪能飞行吗？你觉得是什么意思？冰冰冰冰冰 Yes, it's something that will never happen. 你猜对了吗？good I'm going to the moon tomorrow. When pigs fly, man. I've got a date with Fan Bingbing tomorrow. Fan Bingbing, yeah. She'll date you when pigs fly. 下一个 Under the weather 是不是在天气下面吧 Nope. 如果你说不舒服，你就猜对了。Yeah, I'm not coming to work today. I'm feeling under the weather. Oh man, what's wrong with you? You look a bit under the weather today. 下一个 My neck of the woods 是不是我的森林之脖子吗？No. 就是在我住的地方旁边。Let me know when you're in my neck of the woods. We can get dinner together. Yeah, I'll be in your neck of the woods tomorrow. Alright, next one. Head over heels. 头脚跟 over 在上面，什么意思啊？乒乓乒乓乒乓乒，就是爱上的意思或者沉迷的意思。We're never gonna see him again. He's fallen head over heels for her. Yeah, she's head over heels for me. 是不是很傻？good 下一个 kick the bucket 踢水桶吗？差不多，你觉得呢？就是死了，但是大家要注意哦，这个并不是正式，可以得罪人。I'm not doing so good. My dog kicked the bucket last week. This phrase is definitely a little weird, but it comes from a long time ago when they used to hang people when they executed them. They would kick the bucket out from underneath and then... Yeah, won't be long before I kick the bucket. Please don't kick the bucket. 下一个 take a rain check. 拿下雨支票吗？对的，就是我们改天吧。如果你跟朋友有个时间，可能要一起吃饭，但是你突然发现到哪天晚上有事情，要改天吧。那你可以说 Will you take a rain check？ 意思是还是说不定什么时候可以一起吃饭。Sorry, Fan Bingbing, I have to work overtime tonight. Will you take a rain check？ 好，来最后一个很傻英语口语表达 Pardon my French， 原谅我的法语吗？对的，就是原谅我的脏话。那为什么法语的意思就是脏话？有可能就是法国人说英语的时候，他们忘记了一个单词或者一个短语，就直接说法语，然后后面说 Pardon my French， 意思就是他们不知道那个英语单词和短语是什么，所以就用法语。So there are some common but stupid English expressions we use all the time. 我想问大家一些问题。你是不是要提高你的英语口语？你是不是喜欢看电影？那为什么还没有报名我的电影口语课？ In this course, we're going to watch 4 movies together, and we're going to talk about all kinds of very common oral English expressions. This course is a really fun way to learn English. Through this course, you'll be able to improve your oral English as well as understanding English when you watch movies. It's only 129 RMB for 2 live stream courses and 24 video courses. 如果大家要试听课程的话，大家可以看一下这次小视频。The Devil Wears Prada， 我们一起来看看吧。
当然的。 Oh my God, I will pretend you did not just ask me that. She's the editor-in-chief of Runway, not to mention a legend. You work a year for her and you can get a job at any magazine you want. A million girls would kill for this job.
Emily 一脸崇拜地说道 She's the editor-in-chief of Runway, not to mention a legend. 注重 not to mention 这个短语的意思是更不必提。好比说，我想跟你介绍我的学霸好基友。我说道 He graduated from Oxford, not to mention with a full scholarship. He graduated from Oxford, not to mention with a full scholarship. 在这里 not 和 to 是连读的，共用 t 的发音。我再读一次 not to mention。那么类似的用于强调的表达还有 not to speak of。So there you go. Don't forget to sign up right away. It starts August 4th, and after that, the sales are closed. 我们8月4号见。So that's all for me today. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share, and I will see you next time. 我是麦克老师，下次再见。